Hi, now that you are done with your quiz, you need to go into Google Classroom and see the group that you are assigned to. So in Google Classroom, you will see that there are groups for points of concurrency investigation. You're going to first do your quadrilateral investigation in that group, but I want you in these groups for the remainder of class. So the groups are split up for medians in a triangle, altitudes in a triangle, perpendicular bisectors in a triangle, and angle bisectors in a triangle. The sub will be making sure that you move into your groups. Once you're in your groups, I want you to get out your blue sheet of paper. If you need an extra one, there are more on the standing desk over at the front of the room. Your conjectures should be things like line AB is equal to line CD, or that the slope of AD is equal to the slope of BC. There really shouldn't be anything about angles unless you're talking about it being a perpendicular or a right angle, because if you look at 4, it wants you to prove or disprove your conjectures using slopes, midpoints, and distances. Those are the only types of things that we can prove using slopes, midpoints, and distances. For 8, 9, and 10, again, you're going to do them in your interactive notebook. Bisect means that it splits it into two equal lengths. Any other questions about that one, send me a post on Google Classroom. If your group finishes this paper, you need to then begin your triangle investigation. And if you look at the bottom of the Google Classroom post, there is a link for GeoGebra. You'll need to go to GeoGebra so that you can do the investigations. I will show you on my computer in just a second. GeoGebra looks like this. You can use different activities over here to draw line segments. And then connect the dots. You can use these 3 points under construct for midpoints or center. Play around with it, you'll figure it out as you go. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's the first time I used it yesterday, so you guys can figure it out too. If you click on the actual activity though on Google Classroom, you will see there are 4 different pages. Make sure you go to the one that you were assigned to. The first one is medians in a triangle, second one altitudes in a triangle, third one perpendicular bisectors, fourth one angle bisectors. And you and your group are gonna go through this. It tells you you have to use GeoGebra. Don't worry about the timeline. You guys have a little bit, you have the rest of class, and then we'll have a little bit of time on Monday. We will be making the poster in class on Monday. So again, work in the groups that I've assigned you. If you've got any questions, make a comment on the Google Classroom post. You shouldn't really have homework this weekend unless you are not done with midpoint, Pythagorean theorem, or distance formula. Those worksheets you will be turning in on Monday. I hope you have a good weekend. Bye.